Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Google Chrome on your Ubuntu operating system. So let's get started. So first open the Firefox browser, which comes with the installation of your Ubuntu, and then search for Chrome here. And the first link which will appear here will be from google.com/Chrome. So I'm going to just click on this link, and then straight away you will see the download button here. So I'm going to just click on the download button. Now, as you can see here, you have two options. One is .deb for Debian or Ubuntu, and we have .rpm for Fedora and OpenSUSE or other operating systems. So we just leave it as default, which is .deb, and then click on accept and install button. Once you do that, you will see this window which will ask you to download this .deb file for the Google Chrome stable current version. I will just say save file here and then click on OK, which is going to download this .deb file on my Ubuntu operating system. So once this .deb file is downloaded, I'm going to go to the location where it's downloaded. So I can just click on the files option here, and then I can go to the downloads folder, and I can see this file is located here. So now to install Google Chrome using this file, what you need to do is you need to open the terminal. So you can open the terminal by just pressing Ctrl-Alt-T button, or you can open the terminal by just going to this show applications option and then searching for the terminal. So just search for terminal and then click on the terminal option. Now I'm going to just install the Google Chrome using this .deb file. So for that I need to navigate to the file which I have downloaded. So I'm going to just write cd downloads, and here I can see this file. So to install this file, I just need to give this command sudo apt install and then // and then just type Google, few words of Google, and then press tab button, which is going to auto complete this file name for you. So you can see this name and this name is same, and now press enter and then just type your Ubuntu's password here and then press enter, which is going to start the installation of the Google Chrome browser on your Ubuntu operating system. So just wait for this process to complete. So now the process of installation is complete. So I'm going to just minimize this browser from here. And to start Chrome browser, what you can do is you can just click on show applications icon once again, and you will be able to see your Google Chrome icon here. Or you can just search for Google Chrome and then click on the Google Chrome icon here. For the first time when you start Google Chrome, you will see these two options: make Google Chrome the default browser and automatically send usage statics and crash reports to Google. So I'm going to uncheck this option, and also I'm going to uncheck this option. If you want to make Google Chrome as your default browser, you can leave it as like this. Okay, and then click on OK, which is going to launch the Google Chrome browser. Now if you close the Google Chrome browser, you will see it's not visible on this sidebar. So in order to add this Google Chrome on the sidebar, what you can do is you can just right click on the Google Chrome and then click on add to favorites. Okay, so right click and add to favorites, and once you do that and you close your Google Chrome, you will see that Google Chrome icon is still available on this sidebar, and it's not disappearing. Okay, so this is how you can download and install Google Chrome on your Windows operating system. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.